In my hands are the tiniest aloe vera pups that I tried to plant. These pups came from the plant that I uprooted and air-dried. I was sending this plant to someone through mail, so I had to remove the soil and air-dry the roots to prevent it from rotting inside the box. The plant has 3 tiny pups growing. I knew that they would just die inside the box, so I thought of planting them instead. In case you notice that the leaves have brown spots, they are just soil stains, not the black spots that affect the leaves and the gel of the plant. These pups have not emerged out of the soil yet, except for the one that has already a little green on top of its leaves. I will be using this compost soil. It came from this side of the compost. I also started to put in grass clippings and kitchen scraps. The other side of the compost is already full and will be ready for use after a couple of months. If you have not subscribed to the channel, I would appreciate it very much if you click the subscribe button so that you will be notified when I upload new videos. I did not water the plant. I was just misting the plant to cool down the temperature because the weather is very hot right now. I also cover the plant with plastic to control the temperature and protect the plant from extreme heat. After 2 weeks, 2 of the plants died. The remaining plant has grown and is now greener compared with before. I will not be uprooting this plant just to check its roots. I will just let it continue to grow. I will post an update of this plant after a couple of weeks or after a month, depending on how it has grown. I hope you learned something. This is Danny and thank you for watching.